How to restore WeChat chat history. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open WeChat on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then, click on Me at the bottom right corner of your screen. Here, click on Settings. After you click on Settings in here, scroll down and click on Help and Feedback. After you click on Help and Feedback, you'll find a tool-like icon at the top right. Click on it. Then click on Repair Chat History. You'll find Repair Chat History. Simply click on it and everything will be restored that are missing. As you can see, if your chat history display has a problem or some chat history is missing, you can attempt repair. Simply click on Repair Chat History and you're good to go. This is how to restore WeChat chat history. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.